Have you ever wondered what's inside the St. Louis Arch? Well, today's your lucky day. Today I'm taking a ride up to the top and we're going to see what this is all about. In fact, a couple years ago I didn't even know that you could go up into the arch until I happened to pass by this place on a business trip. I didn't actually get to go in, so I'm really excited to actually see what it's like in there. If you can see those tiny little black slits up there, that is actually the viewing area on top of the arch. So we're gonna have to see how that is, because from down here they seem tiny. Maybe they're a bit bigger up there. I had no idea they had all this down here. I just thought it was a ride to the top. A nice little model of the arch. All right, here we are. Ride to the top, leaving in 3 minutes. All right, so they're finally letting us in. I am going up on the north tram. Looks like I was the last one. All right, head down the stairs. So each one of these elevators is just tiny, so I'm really curious to see how this works.
All right, want to get in our picture?
This is gonna be really cramped. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Hey, this is not as uncomfortable as I thought. Oh, they spin. Okay. I really don't want to spin.
I feel like I just got into one of the escape pods from Star Wars. It's like it's tiny. Oh my gosh! You can see like all the guts of this building too.
It's okay. I don't like the way it
Oh! I have a deathly fear of heights. I don't know why I do this to myself. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Hey, this is low-key kind of cool.
I wish they just, made it just a metal door where you couldn't see anything.
That as well. Yeah, I am confused on that. I don't like that very much. I feel like that would make a lot of people not want to go. Like if they knew that you could see. That's probably why they don't. That's why there's no entrance pictures. Probably.
Oh, are we done?
In a way, sort of.
So it's no secret I'm a gigantic chicken, but I'm just glad that's over. Oh, look at this. It's quite a view down there. Ooh, there's the courthouse down there.
Dude, skydiving off this would be awesome.
That wasn't too long. Well, I got a few minutes up there, but still, it's pretty amazing to think that we're 630 feet up in the air.
Because if
Yay,
you're
we're
in a
going
confined
down.
space with no windows, it is way faster. God damn. I'm alright. I kind of like it though. It's not as
I hope none of you guys have a fear of heights. Okay, so laugh all you want. I have a fear of heights, but it was still a really cool experience. I probably should have closed my eyes for the entire way up, but I guess hindsight's 20/20. But anyway, really glad I got to explore the St. Louis westward expansion arch. I thought that was a pretty cool experience. It just kind of feels like something that should be on the checklist of every American. So I'm glad I finally got to check that off. And I have to say it's a very beautiful monument.